Hello everyone, welcome to Perlearn. If you enjoy this video, please support me by subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. In this video, I will teach you how to create a color palette that suits your personal taste. To create this palette, I will start by making two shapes in different colors and placing them side by side as shown in the video. I will repeat this process for all the colors I want to include. Next, I will select the two shapes that I want to combine to create a color palette. I go to the Object menu, select Blend, and then choose Blend Options, entering the settings as shown in the video. Then, using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+B, I execute the final step. Your color palette is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. To support this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.